AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless internet service that uses AT&T's 5G cellular network to deliver broadband to your home, eliminating the need for traditional cable connections. Think of it like a super fast mobile hotspot designed for stationary use. AT&T installs an outdoor antenna and indoor router at your home. The antenna connects wirelessly to the nearest AT&T 5G cell tower, converting the cellular signal into a Wi-Fi signal for your devices. It relies on LTE and 5G bands, utilizing beamforming for a focused signal. Self-installation is designed to be easy, taking about 30 to 60 minutes, and the equipment is often provided free for the first year. Clear line of sight to a cell tower is crucial for optimal performance. AT&T Internet Air plans start at $49.99 per month with autopay discounts for basic speeds, with higher tiers available offering faster speeds and unlimited data. Advertised speeds range from 10 to 300 megabits per second download, though real-world speeds vary based on location, weather, and network congestion. Upload speeds are typically 10 to 50 megabytes per second. The service is susceptible to signal degradation in bad weather or during high usage periods. Expert reviews are mixed. PCMag praises its easy setup and value for rural users, while CNET notes it's a solid alternative to cable for light users. However, both criticize inconsistent speeds in congested areas and highlight potential data caps. While AT&T Internet Air offers an affordable and convenient option, performance can vary, making it essential to check coverage and consider potential limitations based on location.